Hey bakers, John Cannell from Preppy Kitchen here, and today we're making a beet salad that will blow your mind. It is so delicious, filled with creamy avocados, zingy raspberries, and crispy, crunchy elements that I'm gonna save for later. Okay, let's get started. First off, let's boil our beets. Just plop them into some boiling water with a tablespoon or so of vinegar. That'll help with the color loss. And you're gonna boil them for about 30 minutes or until they're tender. Once that time has passed, remove the beets and then run them under cold water so now you can handle them and peel their skin off. Just use your thumb and pull it right off, and that beet will be beautiful and ready to eat. I wrote this recipe in the spring, like in the height of spring, and it was like the best time at the farmer's market. So they happened to have those chioggia, I don't know how to say it, you can let me know in the comments, but they're psychedelic or candy beets. Those are the colloquial names, and they are stunning, so pretty. But right now it's early spring, so I did not have those handy. I'm using golden beets instead. They're gonna taste just as good, just not be visually stunning, which is what I demand in all of my produce. Okay, it's a beautiful color, I mean, really. So cut the head off, and then we can just give it a thin slice. Gorgeous. If you don't feel like boiling beets for half an hour, which I totally get, you can use canned beets and it's not a huge deal. I think canned beets taste delicious, but I grew up in the 80s when everything was canned. These big slices can get cut in half. You really just want to mind, like what will someone be able to fit on their fork? At the end of the day, it's all about eating that salad. Repeat that process for any other beets you're using. You can kind of like load this up with beets or just use a couple, it's up to you. This salad is super light on prep work, so we're like really hitting the home run over here. After your beets are all prepped, set them aside, and now see how this avocado looks on the inside. I'm so happy. I am the worst chooser of avocados ever, so whenever I have a shoot day with avocados, I buy like bags of them because I am not sure if they're gonna be just right, overripe, or rock hard by the time shoot day comes around. This translates to a gold mine of avocados for my boys because they're California babies and they love eating avocados. You've never seen a 2-year-old tantrum. Like when you say, oh, no more avocados, all done. Like, I love the creaminess this brings to the salad. Look at that little baby pit. Do you see this? It's so cute. Takes knife to baby pit, hacks it out. Bye, baby pit. This salad doesn't have some almond slivers, and I'm gonna leave this up to you. If you love toasted almonds like I do, go ahead, place the slivers on a baking sheet and just toast them for maybe like 5 minutes at 350. You can keep an eye on them and shake them around and move them halfway through because you don't want them burning on the edge and, untoasted in the middle. You might even take it up to 8 minutes. Let's slice that avocado now. Oh, I can feel how creamy it is to the knife. Loves it. Perfect. Oh, I am the best chooser of avocados ever. Now that our cherry tomatoes are cut in half, our prep work is done. Now let's make that dressing. Setting this aside. For the dressing, I'm adding in a healthy pinch of salt. That's it, dressing done. Just kidding. 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. 1/4 cup of champagne vinegar, but use your favorite vinegar. It doesn't have to be made from champagne. 4 raspberries, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, look at all this thyme, so beautiful. Now, my recipe actually calls for lemon thyme, but once again, it's not in season right now, so you can use regular fresh thyme, strip it, crush it, and place it in. Crushing it really releases the oils and makes it more fragrant. If you get a little bit of the stem in there, it's not a big deal. They'll live. If you have a favorite herb, you can let me know in the comments. I love hearing from you, and there's so many good ones like chervil. Why don't people use more chervil? It's so good, and it's amazing in mussels with white wine and herbs. One of my favorite summertime treats. I have so many fancy honeys in the pantry, and yet I chose the little bear. Sad. Okay, 1 tablespoon of honey. Now we're going to emulsify this, and if those raspberries aren't broken up, we will be muddling them. Rest assured. Those raspberries didn't stand a chance. That pretty color too. Homemade raspberry vinaigrette. Give it a little taste test. That's nice. I mean, can I add some more raspberries in there? Yes. One more shake. Okay, the color is even prettier and it has more raspberries. Win-win. We are ready to assemble. So let's take about 4 ounces of mixed greens. That's gonna be our base. It's a salad after all. All those beautiful beets. So beautiful. Even though they're not the candy beets that I love. I do like the color though. Right, take most of the avocado. I'm gonna reserve some for the very end just to make it look nice and pretty. Oh, avocado. Your cherry tomatoes. Hello, cherry tomatoes. Plop those raspberries in there. You can reserve some for the end to sprinkle on top as well, because when you toss a salad, they will get a bit manhandled and, you know, they're gonna start falling apart. You want some beautiful ones on top to say, hey, look at these pristine raspberries. They're beautiful, like me and my salad. Okay. Oh, I'm loving the colors though. So beautiful, very springy. All right, let's dress the salad. Reserving some of the dressing for later. Once again, give it a nice, beautiful toss. Gently though, be gentle with this salad. Sprinkle those almonds on there too. They give a nice crunch and texture. It's like the healthy version of a crouton. Those beets add like the perfect amount of sweetness, and they're really substantial texture-wise. So they complement those delicate, very zingy raspberries and the creamy avocado with the crunch from the almonds. Oh, it's such a good salad. And if you wanted to, add some grilled chicken onto it. Make it, you know, super proteinaceous. It's a total meal in and of itself. You don't need anything. If you like this recipe, check out my shrimp scampi. It is a perfect pairing and so fast and just delicious. Thanks so much for watching. If you like my videos, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.